Hello guys, welcome back to the Leech Farm of Europe. Come with me. I'm going to show you how the newly accepted leeches are being accepted from the leech facility. A worker in the field just brought this. This is the new stock from the lake, right here. So we have, how many kilos is this?
About 2 kilo and 400 grams.
So this is the worker who brought the leeches here. So he says it's 2 kilos and 400 grams.
Something like that.
Your English is very good.
No.
So we're going to see what happens with these leeches when the farm accepts them, what they do. Do they pay you right away?
Sorry?
Do they pay you right now?
Sometime yes,
Sometimes
I
later.
choose to take money
Later.
later.
Okay. How many hours have you been collecting this production?
So about 4 hours, 4 hours a half.
4 hours and a half you've been at the lake and you've been collecting. And can you tell me what you use to collect them? Just with your hands?
Just hands.
Wow, so he doesn't use any instruments. Do you use gloves?
No?
Just bare hands. Do you use boots?
Yes, I have boots. Big boots.
Rubber boots, all the way to up here?
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you for letting us
You're
know.
welcome.
So what he's doing is he just broke open the bag. He's putting them into a bucket like this, and he's throwing away the sock. And what is the process you're going to do? Cleaning them? Are you
I
going to
cleaning and I select the bigger one.
the bigger ones?
Yes.
Separate.
I put separate, yeah.
Okay.
More the bigger, 3.5 gram.
And why do we separate them?
I don't know, my boss.
The
he
boss
wants like that.
says that you must separate them
Yes.
to get paid. Now, when you keep the leeches in this bucket, don't they drown?
Sorry?
No
My
problem.
English sometimes is not.
It's not a problem?
No.
Okay, because I was
No,
told you
no
can't
problem.
keep leeches underwater because they will drown,
There's no problem.
but it's no problem. So we can show close up.
Hai să le legem pe astea. Da, nu, le alegem toate.
And what is this? This is slime. This is from the leech.
Yes.
It's a waste product, so they must remove it for
Yeah,
the
I
leeches
must
to be
remove
clean.
this.
Yes.
I think this farm have many proprietors.
Ah. So what the boss just says, by the way, this is the owner of the farm. He said that this leech slime has many healing properties that are beneficial.
Yes.
What does the slime do?
I must
Ex-
go in one laboratory
and find
and
out.
after yes,
Okay.
I
So
talk-
while he doesn't know what the
I
slime
talk
does,
to this
that is amazing. Look at this. That is amazing. How does this happen? They will
the
They se-
leeches secret.
they secrete this.
Yes.
Look at this, guys. Sorry. Look at this slime. I've never even seen anything like this. Maybe it's because they came from the wild.
Because
Now
this,
look at what he's doing. He is just patting them down. Is this to remove the slime?
Yes.
So we're further removing the slime. The point is to clean them out so there's no dead weight. The other worker is helping out our hero here. He's removing some of the large specimens into this bucket right here. Are you being paid separately for the big ones?
Yes.
Okay, so he's getting probably different price for the large. Are you getting paid more for the big ones?
No.
Less. So the baby and the small leeches are more expensive than the large leeches.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's very interesting. Now let's show close up. So here they're trying to remove some more slime and to separate them even more. Oh yes. Oh, what about this one? Is this pregnant? Do you think? Pregnant?
No.
Can you tell if a leech is pregnant?
She's not pregnant.
They speak more English than I thought. That's amazing. What happens when two leeches are attached to each other? Does that mean they mate? Does that mean
Yeah.
that they're
Yeah.
they're lovers?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Una din asta măriță, uitați.
Am uitat.
As you can see, there's a lot of towels involved. The boss is checking something out. We don't know what.
If he find pregnant leeches.
Oh, he's looking for pregnant leeches. Now, why are you looking for the pregnant leech?
You know, when the leech is pregnant, have one sign like this.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, wait a minute. Let's just explain for the public. He just explained to me that a pregnant leech will have a dividing line here next to the back section or the front section.
After first five
So right here then. Right here.
right here must be one
Line.
line, different color.
Different color. Oh wow. This is amazing. I never even knew this. So one line in the first five lines would be different color if the leech is pregnant, and this is how you know for sure. This is called the pregnancy lines. I've heard of them before, but I've never seen them. If we find a pregnant leech today, we will show you the lines.
If you find, I show you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, you can show a close-up. You can show how they're working with their hands.
Nehedri.
Show his hands.
Când treci pe le mari,
Could I pat them down like this?
No, dacă-s puține, nu. Yes.
Yeah.
așa,
Here's all the big ones. This is what they managed to separate
nu le
today.
treci, nu? And now,
No.
Where are we going with them?
of the basin.
Okay. So this is going to be the stock that's going to be used for multiplying the leeches. We're going into the basin, he says. Now let's take a look. Hold on, hold on. Hang on. Now let's watch what he's going to be doing.
The habitat.
Yes, yes. Very interesting. Can you show me that bucket over there, that crate? Oh no, look, they're swimming. Oh wow. Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow. Can you show me that crate? That's full of
Трава їхня.
trava. Mhm.
Трава.
So he says it's grass, but I call it lake seaweed or something. Can you lift up? Can you lift up the crate? Yes, there's leeches on the bottom. Yeah. And there's more trava, more leeches. You can show. There's one leech swimming there. The bucket has holes in it.
Є. Так.
Keep going. So this is amazing. I've never seen a leech lake setup. Very interesting. Now this is a newly built leech lake. We're going to cover it in the next video, so stay tuned and watch our next video in this leech farming series to find out how they use this leech lake. And now let's go back to the sorting and let's find out if our hunting hero is going to get paid. He continues to clean his production here. Oh look, there's a little baby. There's a tiny little baby. He's very dirty from the floor. Okay. And now what are we waiting for?
I put in the bucket, and after I want to see how many kilos.
Okay, so now we can watch how he puts it in the bucket and how he gets them weighed. Let's take a look. Nice. Now this is the Leech Acceptance Booth scale, and the scale shows 2 kilos,
160 grams.
160 grams, but that's with the bucket, or not
No,
without the
because,
bucket.
we take already
350 grams is
Yes.
the bucket. Okay. So you have a pure weight of 2 kilos 160.
Yes.
And then how do you know how much you're going to get paid for the big ones?
No, because big ones is only couple, and I
It
don't.
doesn't matter. You're not that concerned. Okay, so he doesn't care how much the big ones weigh because they're paid maybe a lot less.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we weighed your leeches. Now you're going to wait for your payment and then go back to work.
No, I go back in my home now, and tomorrow to work.
Tomorrow is your new work day. Why do you finish this time of the day?
Because I have a lot of work in my home, and
Okay.
today was one special day for me. Actually, normally I finish to 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in evening.
Okay. So you would normally have double this much production.
Sometimes yes, sometimes I have 4 kilo, sometimes 3 kilo.
3, 4
Depends.
kilos
Yeah.
for 8-hour workday.
Yes.
Okay. Now, are you happy with your pay schedule? Are you happy with your payment?
Yeah.
Good. Is there other farms that will buy out your leeches, or is it just this one?
No, here is just this one, but I don't know. nothing about
Other ones. Okay, yeah, because this is the biggest one in the entire
Yes.
European region here. So we are very happy that you agreed to interview with us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and
Okay.
good luck with your work at home today.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked today's episode, and be sure to tune in next time. I'm going to show you the family of the worker. They're waiting for him. They're here with the car waiting for him to get paid so they can go home and he can do his work. I love you guys, and watch us again on the next episode when I show you the incubation pool so that you can learn all about incubating leeches, multiplying them, breeding them, and maybe starting your own leech farm. I'm Tetsi, and from sunny Eastern Europe, bye. Bye.